Hey there, everybody. I thought it'd be fun just to kind of go over my Halloween collection. I have a lot of fun stuff, and I thought it'd just be a great evening just to check everything out. So, here it is. Got a good back view here. So, that's kind of my small shelf. This is kind of the movie collection. Not a lot of horror movies, but I have some in there. You have Evil Dead, Hiding Out, Black Christmas, if you've ever seen that. Coraline's a great animated movie. But yeah, just a few in there. Got a cool little tombstone. Got this from a friend a couple years ago. This is pretty neat. And these are, various blow molds from different years. I found at thrift stores that got as gifts. But I really like these. They display well, and I like the different facial expressions on them. This one has kind of like almost like a 3D effect, in the sense the sculpt isn't just kind of flat and flush. This one's got some texture here, but they're all really cool. I like this one. We got Zero. Got Sam from Trick or Treat. So this is kind of my small shelf. I kind of wanted to put, mostly my pumpkins here. I got my Michael Myers poster, and then my Halloween pumpkin farm. Got these cool little goosebump things here. There we go. All right, we'll move on to the next shelf. And this is kind of a mix of old and new. Some newer modern things and some vintage things. I really like this Frankenstein. So this was actually a Toro light cover for your front yard. I took off the bottom part here just because I thought it looked neat just as a blow mold itself. I don't know the year on these exactly. It doesn't say anything on the back here. Let's look. Nothing I see, but this is really cool. This is something that, I happened just to find at a thrift store, and it's one of my favorite things I've ever found in the wild, so it's pretty neat. Got the little rubber duckies here. Bobblehead. And then a few more like these little blow molds. Target has these every year. They have some neat ones. I really like these. I like them for a few reasons. One, they light up, which is really cool. But they're kind of small, so they don't take up a ton of space, and they are just that classic look, which I really like. And then we got the sassy skeleton, I call him. So that's really cool. Definitely one of my favorites. I guess I say that for everything, though. They're all my favorites. And then we have this kind of new one I got last year at Target. Very cool. I wish, I really like this one. I wish they would have gone a different color, or at least added more, designs to his suit. I like the bow tie and the purple there. It's just a minor complaint, but, I really still love this one, especially his little lantern. That's awesome. So, yeah, and then we'll move on here. This is kind of my Scooby-Doo collection. I have, I think, a lot of the main movies on VHS. I don't have every single one. My favorite one is probably Reluctant Werewolf. They're all great, though. Scooby-Doo Zombie Island is absolutely a classic. Got the little mystery machine. I do like Frankenstein as well. So this is really cool. Another thrift store find I got a few years ago. Cool little Hot Wheels with Frankenstein on it. That's a neat design. And then just kind of this little Pez dispenser and a neat cup. And then we'll start from the bottom here. This is kind of a mix of The Simpsons and Treehouse of Horror. So Simpsons fans will like this, or just anybody that likes Halloween. Different figures. I don't have every single one. I really like these. These are cool. Like the two Draculas here. Then we got Mr. Burns in the back. Flanders, Marge. But yeah, that's kind of my Simpsons collection slash Halloween Simpsons Treehouse of Horror collection. Kind of go over that one more time. Principal Skinner. All right, moving up here, a little bit more Simpson figures. This one's neat. I think this still works. Yeah, there's a little thing here and this lights up. The original battery's still in it and it still works. I got the Marge here. This comes off. And then we got the Maggie here. I took the Lisa off. She's kind of hard to get on the stand. So I kind of put it next to it. I thought it still works. And then I got this pumpkin here at the thrift store last year. One of my favorite finds that was not like in a retail store, just like in a thrift store kind of thing. Really like this one. It's just, I love the characteristics on his eyebrows, his facial expression, everything about it's awesome. Here is the other blow mold I found for the Toro light cover. So this is the Dracula. This one's pretty cool too. I love them both. We're kind of get a shot of them both here. Yeah, they're just really cool. I like that, you know, they match kind of to the purple. He's got the fangs. You know, I probably could put like an LED light underneath here eventually. I think that'd be kind of cool just to check it out. Maybe I'll have to do that sometime soon. And then we'll overlook kind of a lot of little things. So these, again, there's stuff I found over the years that I really like. Made this custom Hot Wheels a few years ago. Painted it up, put some stickers on it. Pretty cool. I like little stuff like this. Again, that doesn't take up too much shelf space. But it just, you know, adds some depth to it. He's got a little bobblehead. Little wind-up guy. Charlie Brown. Got another one of these. These are neat. These are little Duplo, I think it's called. Sorry if that's wrong. But they're like kind of like Lego. I found these last year at the thrift store. I really like these guys too. They're cool. And then this one here. Let me get my light. See if I can get it to go high enough. There we go. Get a light on that. So these are pretty cool. I found this last year as well. Just when I was doing my Halloween shopping at random, you know, kind of like Goodwills and thrift stores and stuff like that. You know, when I first got this, what caught me, you know, I like the sculpt, but I really like the cape is what, you know, I love about this. Just kind of the scene of like a Transylvania scene with the bats and everything. That's just so cool. And then we'll kind of zoom out here. I think next year what I'll do is I'll try to get a video with all the stuff that turns on. During the off season, I just kind of take the batteries out just as a precaution so they don't ruin anything. Another cool figure by the same sculptor. Get some light on that one for sure. Love all the colors here. It's just really neat. You even got details on the book. That's awesome. Got a vintage black cat. Yeah, just get another good look at everything. Get the light on it. Coraline. Couple little pumpkins. All right, get that light back down. And then we'll kind of go up to the top. And then just more blow mold stuff. A lot of this was from Target over the last few years. Target here. That's Target there. In the back. Way back. I got to get my finger there. Way back in there. That's the witch there. That was from Target. This neat little cauldron. So it lights up and it plays like sound effects and stuff. Really cool. And then this ghost. So I would say a lot of this section, actually most of it, outside of maybe the Hot Wheel, the Troll, is all Target, you know, from the last few years. And I got to say that, you know, Spirit Halloween and all those other stores are neat, but this is kind of up my alley, is this vintage looking stuff. You know, if you want to buy like actual vintage blow molds, they're pretty expensive. These run between like, you know, $10 to $25 depending on the size. I think these three guys are around $20, $25 or so. So the price is right, and they just look really neat together on the shelf. So yeah, that's kind of just the main Halloween collection. I thought I'd be good just to show that off. And if you have a favorite, let me know in the comments. I think personally, as you know, I look over this, I got to say my favorite might be this. This and then those two blow molds are my favorite. But, you know, it changes. It's all fun. And I look forward to, you know, finding some more neat stuff next year, hopefully, especially stuff like this. And then keep an eye out for the little things you can find, like at the dollar store and stuff like that. So I appreciate it. Everyone I hope everybody's doing well, and, well, see you next time. Thanks.